Hello everyone, my name is Maharsh Patel. Today I am excited to present my capstone project called Praman AI. So Praman AI is an AI powered data analysis assistant that helps user to analyze CSV and Excel datasets without writing code. Its main goal is simple: upload, analysis, visualize and ask. Let's see how it is worked. This is the homepage of Praman AI. The interface is designed to be simple, beginner-friendly. Users can upload CSV file, access file by dragging and drop into upload area. Simplify browsing from their computer. The application supports automatic dataset processing, prepares everything required analysis. Let's upload a sample analysis file. So this is sample analysis file. As soon as the file is uploaded, Praman AI is automatically read datasets, detects column types, and begins analyzing the data. Without writing any code or SQL queries, the application prepares statistics, visualization, and insights and interactive reports. Let's see each section. The first section is data and grid section. Here we can immediately see basic information like ride ID, rideable ID, started at, ended at, start station ID, and station name and station ID, statlet, like everything. And here we can see first 100 rows. So you can see, so basically it displays the upload file name. Like here we have file name, a total row number of rows, total number of columns, and automatically generates a profile for every column. For each column, Pranam AI identifies the data type. Like here, the ended at is numeric data type, while here is readable ID type is text. The data type has missing value. The Brahman AI covers missing values, unique values, frequently occurring values, and numerical statistics wherever applicable. This helps user to quickly understands the structure and quality of the data sets before performing deeper analysis. Let's go to chart section. So here we one of this is one of my favorite features of this project is this is the complete application automatically recommends suitable charts types based on uploaded datasets instead of manually deciding which visualization to create. Praman AI suggests meaningful charts for available data. User can also customize their own visualization. They can choose between bar charts, line charts, pie charts, scatter charts, and select different columns for axis, y axis. Let's select it start late, and y axis we are selecting end late. So here we can see this is type of data we. And let's go to line section. So this is line chart. Here we can see name in x-axis and values in y-axis. Let's see pie. This is pie chart, and this is scatter chart. So this this charts makes problem easy. And now let's go to AI charts. The next is the AI inside and the chart section. After analyzing the uploaded data sets, the AI automatically generates an executive summary that explains the overall dataset in simple language. It also uh, highlights the important findings, business recommendation, and potential data anomalies or warnings. So here we are seeing executive summary. So the AI is showing summary of the our file, Excel file, key findings, and also AI recommends some key areas, and also AI suggests some anomalies and warnings. Here we can directly chat with AI for our uh, Excel file. So let's text them, give me main trends and week trends of the data set. So AI is thinking, agent is thinking, and in some few moments AI will give us summary. So you can see that agents gave us summary like main trends are readable type distribution, user type distribution, most popular start with trend is you can see the AI understands the uploaded data and provides meaningful response based on its contents. This makes data exploration so much more interactive and user friendly. And finally, Praman AI allows user to export a report, analysis report as a professional PDF report. Also, we have print option in that. The reporting includes executive summary. Here you can see executive summary, key findings, recommendation, and overall data set analysis. This feature makes it easy to share results with teammates, instructions, or business stakeholders. So here we can save as PDF. We have option of print to PDF, save as PDF, and see more. So we are saving is in PDF. Uh, First analysis, Praman AI. Let's save the name. So we saved our PDF or our analysis report. So this is my project. In last we can clear file, and also we can select a new file. So we are selecting new file. So in this uh, agent agent shows 50,000 rows, total 8 columns. This pro that values are text with values for standard rows. Also we have option like charts, AI agents, everything, and clear. Praman AI is built using a modern full stack technology, the front end development using a React White and Tailwind. Let me show you the contents of this. The front end contains Node.js, React White Tailwind CSS. The backend built with Node.js Express Range. The CSV and Excel file are processed using dedicated parsing libraries, while interactive visualizations are created using Chart.js. Thank you for watching my project demonstration. This is Praman AI, and I hope you enjoyed the demo. Thank you so much, Mars Patel.